Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did two videos on this, one aligning nodes and one making a rectangle, and this one is going to be using the control button while making the rectangle, making life a little bit easier. So if you did it like this, and if you get your rectangle tool and just go from that node, holding down your control button, it'll flip to one side or the other. Then wait till you get this. Let me zoom in here. Wait till you get the double arrow, and if you have snap to object on, it'll snap to it. Then, so we need this thing over here, just grab this double one, holding down your control button and flip it. And then just take your virtual segment elite key and delete that line, and voila, you're done. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.